Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'll be making some oxtails. Okay, so now I'm just cutting up my green and orange peppers. If you're enjoying videos like this, make sure you hit that like button for me. Okay, now that that's done, I'm just going to be cutting up the onion. Comment down below and let me know if you guys like oxtails and how do you make yours. The way that I make mine is so good, y'all gotta try it. If you try it, comment down below and let me know. Now I'm just going to put my oxtails in a bowl, rinse them, and then I'm going to season them. So you want to make sure you season them really well. And then once I'm done with that, you're going to see I'm going to add some browning in and mix them up. Okay, once that's done, I'm just going to be adding some oil in the pot. And then I'm going to add the onions and peppers with some butter. And then I'm going to add the oxtails on top. So you just want to give it a good mix. And then I'm going to be adding some beef broth inside. Yeah, this food is already smelling so good. Okay, so once the oxtails was halfway done, I'm just going to be adding some sliced carrots and some butter beans inside. So I'm just mixing everything up really well, and then I'm going to continue to let it cook. Now that it's done, I'm just going to show y'all me making my plate.